find yourself battling acne and looking for something that promises fast results without drying your skin or leaving a greasy mess? Let's talk about a product that claims it can help clear those stubborn breakouts: Differin Acne Treatment Gel and the Differin Power Patches set. This 2-in-1 combo includes 36 ultra-thin patches, 18 small and 18 large, and a 15 grams tube of Adapalene gel. These patches are designed to tackle blemishes, while the retinoid gel goes deeper, targeting the root causes of acne. Sounds pretty powerful, right? Let's dive deeper into the product. First off, the patches. They're invisible, waterproof, and sweat-proof, which makes them a dream for wearing throughout the day or night, whether you're at home or out and about. The small patches are perfect for smaller blemishes, while the larger ones are designed for those larger, more stubborn breakouts. Both types are ultra-thin, so they're easy to wear under makeup, making them perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. You can even wear them overnight, so you don't have to worry about them interfering with your nighttime routine. The patches come with a triple action formula. First, salicylic acid exfoliates, helping to shrink those imperfections. Next, soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica and Canadian willow herb reduce redness and inflammation, two key factors when you're dealing with acne-prone skin. They provide a bit of relief, not just in terms of clearing up the acne, but also in soothing the area. Now, let's talk about the Differin Gel. With 0.1% adapalene, it's a topical retinoid that gets deep into your pores to prevent new breakouts from forming. Retinoids are known to speed up cell turnover, and adapalene is a gentler option compared to other retinoid products. So, if you've ever been hesitant about using retinoids because of their harsh reputation, this one might be a better fit for you. You can add this to your routine in the morning or evening, but I personally recommend applying it at night for best results. It's designed to restore your skin's texture and tone over time, helping to clear breakouts from deep within. As for my experience with both products, I found the patches incredibly convenient. They didn't disrupt my skincare routine, and I could apply them before heading out or even while I slept. The gel worked well too, and I saw some improvement after a few days. It wasn't harsh, but I did notice a bit of dryness. Nothing too major, just the usual retinoid side effects, which are manageable with moisturizer. Let's break it down. Pros: the patches are incredibly discreet and easy to use. Waterproof and sweat-proof, perfect for active users. Both the patches and gel work well together to target acne from different angles. Adapalene is a gentler retinoid, which is great for sensitive skin. The patches help with redness and provide a calming effect. Cons: if you're not used to retinoids, there can be some dryness or irritation. The patches are a bit pricier than regular pimple patches, so keep that in mind if you're on a tight budget. The gel isn't a quick fix. It requires some time to really show results. In terms of value for money, the price may feel a bit high, but you're getting a dual action treatment here. If you're someone who struggles with frequent breakouts and acne, this combination could save you from having to buy multiple products. When comparing it to other acne treatment products on the market, Differin's unique formula with adapalene is a standout. While other treatments may focus on one aspect of acne, like killing bacteria or exfoliating, this product combines prevention and treatment, which could make a noticeable difference over time. I also want to mention that the packaging is simple and functional. The gel tube is easy to use, and the patches come in a convenient, hygienic design that makes them easy to apply and take with you when traveling. Would I recommend Differin Acne Treatment Gel and the Differin Patches set? Yes, especially if you struggle with acne and want a product that can clear up blemishes while preventing new breakouts from forming. This combination of patches and retinoid gel provides a comprehensive approach to acne, making it suitable for a range of skin types and severity levels. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.